All right. Hey, everyone. Sorry I can't be with you today, enjoying what I'm sure is a wonderful town hall. Some of you may know we've been working on some improvements to our search and discovery user experience. While we'll have some more changes coming your way in the coming weeks, I wanted to show you our first update, improvements to the autocomplete experience. Previously, our autocomplete was, let's say, lacking. We were lacking context in what it is you were actually looking at. We were lacking functionality, and we were lacking usability. It can be tough to distinguish between two different entities and results. There was no way to do any filtering down of assets. You simply had to commit to a search query and do your filtering afterwards. And as we all know, committing can be hard. Well, today I'm here to show you a few quick things that will hopefully improve your autocomplete lives. So, the first thing is when I click into this search results bar, you're going to see a new section, something we're calling quick filters. Quick filters are going to be generated based entirely on your data. So they're going to be your top platforms here, different entity types that we think make sense based on what you have in your DataHub instance. Let's type in a search query. And now you can see search results in the autocomplete now have a new facelift. So they're easier to read. We have more context in there, helping you understand what it is you're actually looking at. So for example, we have container paths, which is really helpful if you have, let's say, entities with very similar or the same names even, but in different containers. You can now distinguish between them. We're also showing you subtypes over here, which is going to make it easier to understand what it is you're looking at based on the lingo that you're used to in your platform specifically. Same as before, these are separated into different entity type sections. So we have our dashboard section, charts, data sets, all that good stuff. Now, if I want to use these quick filters, I can click on one of them and actually filter down what I'm seeing here in my autocomplete results. So let's say I click Looker. It's now going to show me entities that are just from the platform Looker. Same idea if I were to click Dashboards, just dashboard entities. And then something pretty neat is if I were to click Datasets or any of them, and then click Enter to see search results, you can see that Datasets over here immediately is applied as a search filter as well, making it a little bit quicker and easier to get to where you want to be. All right, something else neat here is that let's say there's more information that we want to be showing you, but it just doesn't make sense based on space in these result cards, is we now have a handy dandy little tooltip for when there's potentially long container paths that we can't fit all in here, or when there's dataset stats that we think could be useful for helping you determine what you're looking at and determine which asset is the one that you care about. So you can see rows and columns, all that good stuff. All right, one more thing that I wanted to show you guys that I think is particularly interesting and cool is for those that have small screens or want to use DataHub split screen. You probably already know this, but previously the autocomplete results were only as wide as the search bar over here at the top. So if we have a small search bar, because we have a small screen, or the autocomplete dropdown would be only yay wide, which honestly is pretty much useless. But now when you click in, it expands, and then also so does the autocomplete results. So now you're guaranteed to always have a normal size autocomplete results, making it easier for you to look at what you care about and find what you care about. All right, I think that's it for me today. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your town hall. Thanks for listening.